Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo Chanel and today I'm going to take you on to a tutorial on how to tie your hair using a shoelace. So first things first, I'm going to talk about the ingredients. So you'll need a gel. As for me, I have the sedoso gel, but I don't kind of like it. I just use it for the sake of just using it. Then you should have your combs to comb your hair, and a toothbrush to lay your edges because you want them nice and clean and making you look more beautiful. And then you'll need water, so you need to spray your hair. So let's get on to this video. So I'm going to start by spraying my hair. So you need to spray both the front and the back. As you can see. So after that, I'll need like to brush my hair, so I'll just do this. So as you can see, my hair is like lying down. Okay, so I'm going to apply the gel. As for me, I'm going to use this for both applying on the hair and also doing my edges. So we're going to apply the gel nicely here on the front. You can see. You can apply some more on the back. So as you can see, I've applied. I'm going to use once again the comb like to do this, just to make sure that the hair is well combed and neat. Yes, you can do this also on the back. So next thing, I'll use like this rope. Mine is a shoelace. It's not stretchy or anything, but it's just a normal shoelace. So I'm going like to place it here. Let me turn so that you can see what I'm doing. Then I'll like crisscross here and like just move it smoothly, move it like that, you can see. So I'm like to make sure I don't tie the loose hair, so I'll pass it underneath, and as you can see how it's looking. Then I'm going like to tie. Should not make it that tight because it will be hard for you like to stay like that, because it might give you a headache or something. So let it not be loose nor too tight. Let it just be there in the middle. So I'm tying it in the back. So that's it. I've tied the hair. You can see how it's looking nice. It's looking so good, as you can see. You can also look at the back, how it's looking. So for that, so we're going to get to the edges. You need your edges to be like nice and clean to add a little bit of style to the look. So as for me, I'll just use the gel. I'm using the Sedoso gel again, as I said. So we'll just like comb this out like this. So like doesn't need to be all that perfect. As you can see, it doesn't need to be all that perfect. As long as it looks like an edge that you can rock with, is no problem. So I'm going also to do this side. As you can see, I'm going just to lay it just all the way down. Then I'll do the other side. So just like comb it like that. Then I'll like put it like that. Wow, you can see it's becoming so great. Yeah, then I'll like comb this side. Yes. Let me do the front side. Okay, just see how it looks. So like if you're not thrilled by the volume of this hair, you can just like comb it a little bit just to make it look much better. So you can just do the comb just a little bit. As for me, I love it like just to be that not neat but looking like this, so untidy-ish in a way. It makes me feel nice. Yeah, you can just do that. Yeah, I like it that way. I guess that's it. As you can see, the way it's looking so nice. The hair has just laid on its own very nicely. Looks so neat. From the back also you can see like how the hair is looking. So this is how I normally do my hair when I'm going for a quick place to go, as in when I'm going somewhere so quick. So I just do this and voila, you're neat. There's no need like to do so much thing on your hair. And you see, this is cheap. You just need only some little things in order for you to look this nice. So hope you enjoyed my channel. As for me, I enjoyed showing you this tutorial on how to tie your hair using a shoelace. If you want many videos like this, just comment down below at my channel and I'll be able to get to you. So see you guys. Bye.